Hello and welcome everybody. Today I am back with another lecture of electrostatic potential and capacitance class 12 physics. Today we are going to find potential due to spheres about non-conducting solid sphere. We are going to deal with non-conducting solid sphere. This is a conductor, non-conducting solid. Here the charges remain at volume. They do not turn on outer surface of the conductor. This is a conductor of radius r, and we have to find a potential at the point P. This is center, and distance between the point P and the center is r. We have to find the potential at the point P. For this, we have to bring a charge from infinity, and we know that the potential at infinity is 0. Vp minus V infinity equals to minus E dot dr. Potential at infinity is 0. This we already know. And the formula of finding the electric field is kq divided by r square. kq divided by r square dot dr negative. We integrated from infinity to r, because we are bringing the charge from infinity and we have to bring a charge at a point B which is at distance from the center. This is constant, so we bring it outside. R raised to the power minus 2 dot dr from infinity to r minus kq r raised to the minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 from infinity to r. This equals to minus kq r raised to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 from infinity to r. This equals to minus kq multiplied 1 by r from infinity to r. Here is minus. This becomes minus kq minus 1 by r. First we put upper limit in place of r and then lower limit. Minus 1 by infinity. This equals to Vp equals to minus kq. This term becomes 0 and we are left with minus 1 by r. This equals to Vp equals to kq divided by r. This is the formula of finding the potential at the point P, which is r distance from the center of conductor. For finding the potential at the surface, we know that at surface r equals to capital R. So simply replace small r by capital R. V as S for surface. Potential at surface equals to kq divided by capital R. Here r is radius of conductor. Now suppose what we will do if we are asked to find the potential at a point inside the conductor. This is our conductor. This is center. This is radius r. We have to find the potential at a point Q which is at r distance from the center of the conductor. Here the charges are present. These are the charges present at the volume. For this we have to bring the charge from surface to the point Q. Vq minus Vs equals to minus E dot dr. And we know that for non-conducting solid sphere, electric field at the center is electric field at center for non-connecting solid sphere is kq divided by capital R cube. So we put here kq divided by R cube, and we have to find electric, and we are here dealing with R. At the electric field, at center electric field is kq divided by R cube, and at R distance electric field becomes kqr divided by R cube dot dr from capital R to small r, and the potential at surface is kq divided by capital R. Vq minus kq divided by capital R equals to minus kq divided by R cube. This is constant, so bring it outside, and R dot dr from capital R to small r. This becomes k minus kq divided by R cube, and we are integrating it from R square divided by 2 from R to small r, and here is Vq minus kq divided by R, and this becomes minus kq divided by R cube. Firstly we will put upper limit in place of R and then lower limit, then this becomes R square divided by 2 minus capital R square divided by 2, and here is Vq minus kq divided by R. Here is Vq minus kq divided by capital R equals to minus kq multiplied by R square divided by 2R cube, and this becomes this negative, and this negative becomes positive. Here is kq capital R square divided by 2 R cube. Here we can say R square and R square. Then we are left with Vq, and we shift this term to the right hand side of the equation. This equals to minus kq capital R square divided by 2R cube plus kq divided by 2R plus kq divided by R. Then this equation becomes kq R square divided by 2R cube plus the LCM of this term is 2R, and this becomes kq plus 2kq, and here let me Vq equals to minus kq R square divided by 2R cube plus 3kq divided by 2R. I'm erasing this part. Equation becomes Vq equals to 3 by 2 kq divided by capital R minus kq R square divided by 2R cube. We simply multiply this term. We simply multiply and divide this term by R square. Dividing and multiplying a term with the same number does not change the value of the term. Minus kq R square divided by 2 R cube. Then this equation becomes 3 by 2 kq R square divided by R cube minus kq R square divided by 2R cube. 3 by 2 kq divided by R cube is common, and this is k cube divided by 2 r cube is common, and in bracket 3 r square minus r square is left. So potential at the point Q which is inside the conductor is kq divided by 2 r cube multiplied by 3 r square minus small r square. This is the formula of finding the potential at a point inside a conductor which is non-conducting solid. Suppose in the examination we are asked to find the potential at the center, then at center this capital R equals to 0 because center the radius is 0. So at center the potential becomes kq divided by 2 r cube multiplied by 3 r square. This term r square becomes 0, and simplify it we get vc equals to 3 kq multiplied by r square divided by 2 r cube. R square and r square is cancelled. Then potential at center equals to 3 kq divided by 2r. This is the formula of finding the potential at the center of non-conducting solid sphere.